Hi guys, welcome back to our weekly market forecast. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the best potential trade setup for this week. And I'm going to talk about what is the best or the most critical important macro data that you have to keep an eye for, and some small talks about the market condition in this week. So before we get to chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the topics. First one is, let's talk about the macro data. Okay, on Tuesday, here we have the Fed Chair Powell speaks. You should listen to his opinion about the interest rate on the US side. For the Wednesday, it's not quite relevant, so we're going to skip the Wednesday macro data. For Thursday, we have Euro Central Bank's interest rate decision. This is quite important if you are Euro traders. And from US side, we have the initial jobless claim. And that's it. That's pretty much it for the macro data. And let's go straight to the chart. Okay, first let's talk about BTC or Bitcoin. Okay, what is the next plan for Bitcoin? Let's see on the chart. Okay, on the Bitcoin, the price already hit our target, our last week target, which is at around $123,000 as our weekly target. And right now, the price seems to reject its previous target. And the main key point, the key strategy for Bitcoin right now is to wait for the pullback before you are entering long position. The pullback came at around 110,000 until $105,000. That is the demand zone for the potential that the Bitcoin is going to retrace or pull back in this kind of zone. And the support came at around 98,200, and its previous resistance kept at around 123,000. Okay, the next one is, let's go to Euro Dollar. Okay, on the daily chart on Euro Dollar, the price already entered the demand zone that we have plotted last week. The price right now has already retraced or making a pullback in this zone. And the main key ideas for this week is to wait for the valid retracement or the valid swing point or the valid rejection. Okay, if you are seeing a valid rejection at around this zone, okay, this green zone as the demand zone, then we can start looking for potential buy position. We are going to lower our time frame to 1 hour time frame to see whether the price already or the structure already aligned like in the daily structure. The support for the Euro Dollar, it came at around 1.10656. Yep, 1.10656. And then its resistance by resistance, it came at around 1.18308. Okay. And then the potential target for the Euro Dollar, it came at around 1.19988. That's the final target, but the target for Euro Dollar for now, it's not final yet because the price hasn't made the valid rejection. Okay. So the main plan for the Euro Dollar, of course, we are going to keep buying until there is a sign that, the bear market has entered the pair. Okay, let's go next to the pound. Okay, dollar. Okay, here. The pound dollar failed. Sadly, the pound dollar failed to react on the demand zone that we have plotted around here. So right now, the price on the pound dollar has already made change of behavior here. Okay, this low is lower than previous low. Sorry guys. So our main idea here is the best thing that we have to do is wait and see. Why? Well, because we want to make sure that either the bullish trend or the bearish trend have already entered the market. Does the bullish will continue its momentum, or it will getting to take over by the bearish trend? So we have to wait and see, and the potential for the pound dollar is on the daily chart, of course. It's to change its direction to the bearish trend, but we haven't validated yet, and that's why we have to wait and see for pound dollar. The pullback or the retracement, it will come at around here. This is our target. Wait, let me draw it for you. This is our supply target, okay, for the pound dollar, which came at around 1.36753 until 1.35905. That's the potential target for the pullbacks on the daily chart of pound dollar. So the main plan or the main strategy for this week, the best strategy for this week is to avoid pound dollar, or if you want to trade pound dollar, well, you have to wait and see for the best setup on the pound dollar. Well guys, that's it on the chart, and let's go straight to the small talk about the macroeconomics. Okay, well, we've seen right here we have GBPUSD on the stablecoin or on the crypto side. Well, there is a positive side and a negative side. The positive side is, well, crypto is getting regulated by now, and the US government is going to regulate the crypto market or the stablecoin. But the main idea for crypto actually is, well, he has to be decentralized. Crypto bros or crypto people doesn't want, well, government to interfere with, well, with crypto, because crypto born because they doesn't like the, well, with the bank or with the international bank policy. So that's why Satoshi Nakamoto, whoever that guy is, creates the Bitcoin. And the Genius Act right here, I quote it from the Wall Street Journal. Okay, the big loser from the Genius Act here is 156 billion crypto giant Tether. Bill laying out rules for stablecoin would force issuer like Tether to be audited and risk practice. Well, we are looking so many people on the X or formerly Twitter talk about the Tether. It's the main idea or the main cause that the Bitcoin pumped so much bullish momentum. Before the Bitcoin surged to another all-time high level, the Tether is releasing or creating another more supply on its USDT. Okay, so maybe that's some cheeky playing well, let's say risky practice on the crypto market. But well, what if the Tether is going to be audited? What if the Tether is going to face maybe a court because they are playing some risky game on the financial market? Well, the first thing is we cannot buy Bitcoin so frequently like before the Tether is going to be on court. But will Tether is going to be audited, and will there is a risky practice in Tether industry that the SEC is going to be found in Tether? Well, I don't know. But when there's a risky business on the Tether, the Bitcoin is going to lose value, because often the time people going to buy Bitcoin via Tether, via USDT. Okay, so that's the main point. That's the negative point for this regulation on the Genius Act. Okay, guys, that's it. Let's go straight to the giveaway winner. Okay, this is the most awaited moment in our video. Okay, we have four comments. Wait, actually we have 3 comments. Thank you so much guys for the comment and the likes. Okay, let's go straight to the giveaway picker. Okay. Okay, number of win 1, and let's choose our winner here. Okay, George Agustin, congratulations. This is so impactful of you guys. Thank you so much for the comment, and you are the winner for this week giveaway. Make sure to provide our team for your email that you use for this giveaway comment, so that we can validate if you are real people or not. Okay, congratulations to you again, George Agustin. And the next one is we have very special promo, very big and crazy promo, of course. For only $10, you can start joining our evaluation plan. All evaluation plan for $5,000 until $100,000. You can just start with only $10. And by the way, you only have to pay the rest of the plan if you are getting funded. Well, if you are not getting funded or you haven't evaluated on the evaluation plan, you should have not paid the rest. You have paid the rest only if you are getting funded. If you want to get another information about this, please check out our Instagram. So guys, thank you so much for joining me to listen to me in this weekly market forecast. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in this video, and don't forget to follow our Instagram and TikTok so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye.